If you're considering how commerce might evolve in 2026, this video will save you 10 minutes of research. At the recent Consensus Miami conference, prominent representatives from PayPal and Google shared insights on a groundbreaking concept they call Agentic Commerce. This idea revolves around the integration of cryptocurrency into everyday transactions, potentially transforming the way we buy, sell, and interact with digital services. Stick around as we explore the implications of this shift for your investments and how it could reshape the financial landscape. Agentic commerce is designed to leverage decentralized finance, or DeFi, and blockchain technology to create more efficient, user-friendly payment systems. During the conference, PayPal's VP of Blockchain, Kendra Kinsley, revealed that the company is working on features that would allow users to make payments with cryptocurrency directly linked to their accounts, with a projected launch date in early 2025. This is significant because PayPal currently has over 400 million active accounts. Imagine the impact on crypto adoption if just a fraction of those users begin transacting in digital currencies. Furthermore, Google's Director of Payments Innovation, Mike Lee, discussed how they plan to integrate crypto capabilities into their Google Pay platform. Currently, Google Pay boasts over 150 million users in the United States alone. By enabling cryptocurrency transactions, they could open up new avenues for e-commerce, allowing consumers to make purchases directly with digital assets. If Google successfully implements this feature, it would not only enhance user experience, but could potentially increase transaction volume dramatically, leading to broader acceptance of cryptocurrencies. For U.S. investors, this is crucial. The rise of agentic commerce means that cryptocurrencies could become more mainstream, increasing their value as adoption rises. If you live in tech-savvy states like California or New York, where digital payment adoption is higher, you could see firsthand how these changes unfold. Consider that in 2022, e-commerce sales in the U.S. reached $1 trillion, and as crypto payments become more integrated, that figure could skyrocket with seamless transactions. Now, let's look at how this will impact U.S. retail investors in the coming week. First, if you're a PayPal user, keep an eye on your account as they may roll out updates regarding crypto payments soon. With Bitcoin currently hovering around $35,000, any increase in usage from PayPal's extensive user base could push prices higher. Let's say even 1% of PayPal users decide to utilize Bitcoin for transactions. That could mean an additional $350 million flowing into Bitcoin in a very short time. Second, if you're invested in altcoins, consider the potential for DeFi projects. Many of these projects could see increased attention as agentic commerce promotes the use of decentralized technologies. For instance, platforms like Auth or Uniswap could benefit from increased trading activity as users explore their options for crypto transactions. With Ethereum gas fees currently around $2.50, it's a much more attractive investment for those looking to engage in DeFi, especially if more users begin utilizing these services. Lastly, for crypto investors who use Google Pay, this shift could lead to instant transactions that might eliminate waiting times and fees associated with traditional payments. Investors should monitor any updates from Google, especially as they've indicated a willingness to collaborate with blockchain projects. This could lead to a surge in interest in projects that integrate with major payment platforms, further driving the market. Now let's discuss some alternative approaches. One option is to consider investing in companies that are already making strides in integrating cryptocurrency into their services. For example, Square has been actively involved in Bitcoin adoption and payments through its Cash App. However, unlike PayPal, Cash App currently has a more limited user base of around 40 million, which may lead to slower adoption rates compared to PayPal's vast audience. Another alternative is to look at fintech companies like Revolut, which allows users to buy, hold, and sell cryptocurrencies within their app. However, their transaction fees can be higher, impacting returns for investors. When considering these options, weigh the benefits of potential returns against the risks of investing in these platforms. PayPal's established presence in the payment industry may offer more stability compared to newer entrants. However, if you're willing to take on more risk, smaller companies like Revolut could yield higher returns as cryptocurrency adoption grows. Here's your action checklist for this week. 1. Monitor PayPal's updates. Check your PayPal account settings regularly for news about crypto integrations. If they roll out features for cryptocurrency payments, be among the first to take advantage of them. 2. Explore DeFi platforms. Dive into platforms like OV or Uniswap to understand how they work. If you haven't already, consider setting up a wallet to participate in DeFi lending or trading as interest in these platforms increases. Free. Stay updated on Google Pay. Follow Google's announcements to know when they will introduce crypto functionality. This could change the way you make purchases and might even influence your investment strategy. 4. Evaluate your investment portfolio. Look into companies like Square and Revolut that are engaging with cryptocurrency. Decide if you want to allocate funds towards these firms based on their growth potential in the crypto space. 5. Engage with your local community. Attend local cryptocurrency meetups or webinars. Networking can provide insights into how agentic commerce is affecting markets in your area and help you discover new investment opportunities. In summary, agentic commerce is set to revolutionize how we think about payments and transactions. As major players like PayPal and Google step into the crypto ecosystem, the potential for increased adoption and value is immense. What are your thoughts on how agentic commerce will impact your investment strategy? Let us know in the comments below. Remember, the future is digital, and staying informed is your best strategy to capitalize on these trends. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Bill Crypto USA and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.